Hi guys, back to another video. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Lego Technic Bugatti Chiron 16 plus Lego set. So in here we have, pretty much every major Bugatti name back to front. And here we have it. Okay, this is damn a nice box. So we got the Bugatti Chiron, the blue, a photo image with it. Here we have the book in the middle. This massive book with images and then just Technic and with the Chiron logo at the end. A whole bunch of stickers under that book, and then the photo still continues, but it's, as you can see, after you remove the book, the layer's a little not the flat. Here you have one box, so nice, all black, and then you have a little number there, and then on the bottom you have a little photo also, and then here you have another box and there's a number there, 1, and then you have another photo on the other side. Weird. This is because you can see the back of the car. Okay, I think I understand it. Here you have packaging 4. See, everyone has 2 images. Okay, I think it's a puzzle on the other side. I get it. And then here you get the big one, 2. Yeah. And then you get the second book with the back. This is what's happening. Okay, let me just put this in the puzzle. It's like a puzzle with Lego packaging boxes, and here we have the last one, and this is the packaging 3. And let's put that in. And the last but not least, the wheels. They look so cool, these wheels. It also has a packaging 6 on it, and it also goes in the package, and here we have it. And this is the back of the Bugatti Chiron. So this is it. I finished the puzzle, and yeah, so front and back, this looks so cool, this box. And this is one, as you can see. This is the image when it's finished in Lego, and this is the original one. And don't forget to please subscribe, share, and like this video. Bye.